like another interesting topic for those who's already in this career. And nowadays, like AI is so huge. Everybody is talking about that. And a lot of
Yeah.
people are scared that they would be replaced by AI. So what do you think about us, like as a tarot reader? Will we be replaced by AI?
Yeah, I doubt it because I'm thinking here that firstly, AI is good with memories, memory of card meanings, and also with combinations. So it'll understand combinations. But there's an instinct or intuition in a tarot reading that takes you a step further. I wonder how AI is going to do that without just mimicking it. And because there are some times, and I'll give you an example of this. I've just got to find it's the full card. So give me a second. Here it is. Okay. So one day, a woman asked me, she was in her 50s, 60s, and she asked, will I travel all this year? And I got the full cards, this card. And you can see there's some snow on the mountains. And this time,
Ah,
for the first time ever, all I saw was the snow, and the words I had was Aspen, Colorado. So Colorado is a state in the US, and Aspen's a big skiing thing. I've never been there. To Aspen, Colorado. But I said to her, "No, I see Aspen, Colorado." Now, when you've said that out loud, now you're committed. It's very specific. You can be easily wrong. And she said, "Oh yes, my husband's business partner has a chalet in Aspen. We go every year, but I'm talking about other travel." I'm thinking, "Whoa, this is pretty good. This is pretty specific." And so, and I other things. And so, just once. That's only ever meant that once in 40 years of readings, 42 years. And
yeah,
so,
but like you have zero understanding of Colorado before that.
yeah, yeah. And it was there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And
Yeah, like so like I think you're saying like comparing to the raw knowledge, there's no way for us to compete with the computer, but there is something more about just like raw knowledge to do a good tarot reading.
exactly, exactly. But also, in a good tarot reading, you're connecting with the client. The client feels heard and seen. That's a
Ah, yeah.
that's
That's a human
that's
part of us.
yeah, yeah, and it can be life changing. I had a
Yeah.
woman about 10 years ago, a regular client of mine. In fact, she studied with private lessons she had about 20 lessons with me and did 2 or 3 courses. And she came for a reading and she sat down and I thought, she looks like she feels invisible. And it was August,
Ah,
later in the year. And I said to her, you look like you haven't been seen by anybody else for the last couple of weeks. And she said, no, try this year. So that was eight
oh, that's
months.
pretty
She
sad.
had 3 children, and she had a husband, and she just felt invisible. And so I
Oh,
thought, today I need to pay you attention. I need to give you the most. I need to be present with you, because that's the
yeah.
thing that's going to make her feel like I'm alive. Someone knows I'm alive. It's a powerful thing because actually that's what love is. Love is really seeing someone.